Now, if you're coming to IKEA, you must come to the Swedish food market at the end after you go through the maze that is trying to make you buy things. But this Swedish food market is almost completely out of stuff because of the holidays. So I'm going to try to buy a couple of things. Fyrtakt salty licorice, which Rachel hates with a passion, but I have to have some of it. What the hell is going on here? They've almost run out of everything. Well, we have the chocolate. And we have... what the hell? Chocolate, not milk chocolate bar. But why does it look like cereal? I don't know. Look at this one. It has hazelnuts. And we have the crisp bread. We can't have a Swedish meal without the crisp bread. Dumle gingerbread and vintersaga, the normal chocolate, cookies, lingon drink. You have to have the lingon drink, but it's artificially flavored. We don't want the artificial, we want the natural, because we Swedish people, we do everything in the natural. Oh, look at this. Oh yes, Morty, this is where we get the Lexans. You must have the Lexans. Frozen section. We have grun, saka, kaka, potato, vegetable, and cheese medallions. Whatever the hell these are. Oh, mustard. Mild mustard. Put these on a pastrami sandwich. Don't have any sausages. Oh, look, they completely cleared out the cookie section. Have some of the knacker broth, but I prefer the big one. The princess cake. In case you're a princess. Princess is coming to visit. Okay. Cookies with raspberry flavoring. But there's no cheese left. No cheese. They got plenty of cookies, they got plenty of chocolate. They have this cheap vine. Mold flavored fruit drink, flavored juice drink. That sounds disgusting. Bazerman, dark chocolate peppermint feeling. Smooth Svergis, Meskotaville, Bilar, Fruktkombi, and Fyrtakt. We need some Fyrtakt. Salty licorice. Oh, I like that. I like that quite a bit. That's good stuff. Mostly out of stuff, but good stuff. And of course, no shopping trip can be complete without the meatballs. There's the huvudroll meatballs, fully cooked. And now the chicken meatballs. And there is also the vegan meatballs, which no human being should be subjected to. Now seriously, look at these. Allemansraten, or these are mashed potatoes. Maybe they discontinued the vegan ones. No, wait. It's possible they are here. No. What are these? These are, oh yeah, vegetable meatballs. Who would roll? A crime against humanity should be brought to the Hague. You know what these Swedish people do who do horrible crimes? We make them eat fermented shark. We feed them to the fermented sharks is what we do. And of course you must have the skaldjur, which means Swedish, seafood in Swedish. And your seafood includes some Swedish salmon. Plenty of Swedish salmon, and we have Swedish shrimp also. Cold water shrimp. Skålkapor. Frozen cooked varje in cold water shrimps, peeled deep in the tails. For some sushi if you want it. Make some Boca Raton rolls if you please. Yeah, because the Swedish culture is the paragon of efficiency, you must check out yourself. But they don't give you a bag. But you end up collecting lots of shit to buy. Which is in here nearly $60 worth of crap. Unbelievable.